Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for everyone who's dropped by and for the 2 people that subscribed, but for the hundreds of views that I've had over the time that I've started doing this, it's kind of done a lot better than I thought it would, so thanks very much who's watched. Today, this is the first of 2 kind of unboxing videos that I'm going to do today, because I've had 2 things turn up at the same time and I've been kind of waiting to kind of get on a day off. So the first one will be Nike Air Force 1 out of 1. So I'm going to open this up. Unfortunately, delivered with a damaged box. Can't do anything about that, but what's inside is still fantastic. So we're going to pop it open and we'll have a look and see what's come through there. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, damage to the box notwithstanding, it's a nice box. Let's go with that. You know, we've got the overlay, the kind of permanent marker overlay over the normal kind of Air Force 1, so it's the Air Force 1 of 1. The Air Force 1 kind of, let's say, wrapping paper. There you go. So your 1 of 1 inlay cards. You don't normally, I haven't seen many of these, to be honest. I know things like the Project Rock have got like a signed card with them as well, but look. Instructions, how to apply, where to apply, what comes off, what goes on, and your choice of overlays. You can see this is the kind of ready, I think it's clay they call it. Choice of laces, and obviously you've got the kind of metals that go on the laces there as well. Back patches for your tongue. Swooshes, a multitude of swooshes. Could mix and match if you wanted to, really, couldn't you? We're not going to start taking those off. There's obviously nothing on the back, it's just reverse. And obviously put your white ones on there if you wanted. Shoes themselves, standard kind of Air Force 1 kind of silhouette, but you've got all those and they're really obviously removable. But that's kind of a whole point, isn't it? It's there to kind of mix and match and to kind of make the shoe your own. I love the Air Force 1s. You see, I was really a massive fan of the CR7s that I got. And this is the second pair ever that I've ever owned, despite how much I like them. But it's just such a clean silhouette, even in all in white. It's going to be a kind of fun, kind of seeing what you can kind of do with it. Oh, there we go. There you go, so. Despite the damage to the box, obviously the shoes themselves are absolutely fine. Foot Asylum have dealt with that. You know, they were really good, so thanks very much to them for sorting that out. Otherwise, it was an incredibly speedy delivery. But this isn't a gifted, or it's not an ad. This is I paid for these, you know. But I thought I'd mention where I got them from. Cheaper than I thought as well. I haven't had a chance to wear them yet, as you can see. But yeah, they are very neat. Very stylish, very clean. Yeah, digging them, really liking them.